So, hari ini kita akan buat part 2 lagi. So, untuk yang belum tengok part 1, so don't forget to watch this video later on. So, let's go.
Okay guys, so hari ini kita akan berkenalan lagi dengan next crew. So sama juga kita akan tanya dorang nama dan berasal dari mana, maybe bangsa, sebab Borneo ni kan dia bercampur-campur, dan berapa tahun sudah berkhidmat. Maybe they can give us some tips and also how they want to become cabin crew.
Hai, saya Patricia. Saya berasal dari Giri Sarawak, berbangsa Kenyam Selatan. Saya berkhidmat di Masling almost 3 years.
So, another question. What make you decide to become a cabin crew? Maybe you can share that. Boleh lah.
Beside me is actually it's unplanned, and then I just go for the interview and I got it. But to think back, actually I don't want to do office job like 9 to 5. I don't want to do that and sit there and do, you press the computer every day. It's very boring. So this job, I think it's best lah. You meet new people every day, you work with different people every day, tukar-tukar kan. Then dia punya timing, schedule pun sangat flex. When you have 3 days off, you really enjoy me time, and then you fly pun santai-santai je. So itu je lah yang make me think like I want to become cabin crew. So my advice to people who wanted to become cabin crew, it's not a glamorous career, and then you have to be responsible because people's life is your responsible lah. Mostly your job, it mainly for safety reason. So yeah, be responsible.
Hi Miss.
Hi, morning
So-
Leo.
Cuba Abah introduce yourself, boleh kah?
Boleh. Okay, hello, good morning Leo. My name is Grace Lin. You can call me Grace. I've been working with Maswing for 2 years, and I come from Belaga Sarawak, dan saya ada 3 mix. Okay, my dad is my dad is Kayan mix Punan, and my mom is Kenyah. So I have 3 mix.
Okay, kenapa saya nak jadi cabin crew ialah first,
memang cita-cita saya lah sejak kecil. Kedua, semua orang tahu cabin crew memang travel a lot. Ya, yang ketiga, there's a lot of benefit, which is the first one is medical. Second, travel ID, which is your friend or IN for your family, which is they're gonna have 90% discount for flight lah. One world cik. Mungkin yang last, untuk mungkin dapat cari jodoh juga kan, biasalah passenger kan banyak, so especially pergi Mulu, kita kena bule. Mata dapat jodoh.
Soalan bonus yang passenger selalu tanya.
Selalu
Apa
ada.
soalan dia tu?
Okay, paling which is I notice is mostly passenger lelaki, dia akan tanya dah kahwin ke? Tapi saya cakap saya dah bertunang lah. Walaupun kita single mingle.
Mari sama sikit.
Hello, how's it going?
Good. Thank you for the McD. Itu juga yang sponsor makanan ni. Thank you to Joel and the crew. Yeah. Thank you so much for the food.
Thank you, Joel, for the food.
So, do you have any advice for anyone who wants to become a cabin crew like you?
Okay, my advice to whoever want to become a cabin crew is just go for the interview if you really want to become a cabin crew. And also, if you become a cabin crew, you not only just serve people, but also learn about safety, first aid, and more. And then, but the most important thing is you need to respect others. Always be yourself, stay positive, and enjoy.
Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple back.
Alright, hi, good evening. My name is Farid Darwish. I am 22 years old this year, so basically I've served Maswings for almost 1 year, 9 months. And my ethnic race is Chinese. Tapi bukan, sebiasalah, mix Sarawakian kan bro. So memang more to Malay lah, ya, campur lah, ya.
How long you been on Maswing?
Almost 1 year, 9 months. 1 year, 9 months, almost 2 years.
Steady.
Yeah.
Permanent pula.
Permanent, come on, the best crew. Just kidding.
Bro, kenapa abang mau jadi cabin crew?
Oh, okay.
And what is the benefit when you become cabin crew?
The reason why I wanted to be a cabin crew, right, is because masa kecil-kecil kan dulu, I used to watch this one TV show on television. The show name was Awan Dania. Yeah, that was my favorite TV show lah when I was a kid. Watching those stewardess carrying the bag, sorong-sorong. I was like, wow, very glamorous this job. But once I become a cabin crew, there's another fun part lah. The fun part of becoming a cabin crew, right? You can build your confidence, you can build your character, and most of all is you can learn for more on critical thinking lah. Yeah. So basically, from what I learned is that I can improve my PR and also my communication skills, and mostly it's like confidence in working in this airline industry. And the benefit you get is also like medical benefits. Contoh apa?
Ni, FOC?
FOC, like me, per year I'll get 3 free tickets. So usually I'll go to Japan, Korea, yes, Thailand, free massage. Sometimes when you work a lot, right, you need some massage, you know. So basically Thailand is the best place for massage. FOC, you just pay half the price. So basically if you're becoming a cabin crew, the main benefit you get is like free tickets every year, and you got a 90% this. FOC is the best.
So bro,
Okay.
do you have any advice for the crew that want to join our airline in the future?
Okay, so
Or Air Borneo?
basically to everyone that wants to join Air Borneo or so-called Mars Wings in the future, just prepare yourself, make sure to build your confidence. Let's say that you're poor in English, make sure to watch a lot of movies on Netflix. I usually learn my English more on Netflix and reading books. And mostly if you wanted to be a cabin crew, you don't expect more on like the glamorous part. There's a time where you need to be like washing the toilets and so on. So basically it's not all about the good parts, it's more about the working that you have signed for. And to everyone out there that have been rejected many of times, for me I also have been rejected many of times in other airlines. And thank God Mars Wings is the one that accepted me, that saw potential in me, and I'm very grateful for that. And to all the future cabin crew out there, I wish you the best of luck to all of you.
Alright, thank you, bro.
Hello, my name is Patricia Valerie. You can call me Pat. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Maridi, Sarawak. I'm Iban. And I've been joining Mars Wings for about 2 years now.
So Pat, what do you like about your job as a cabin crew lah? Maybe you can share about your experience in
Okay.
best.
For me, what I like about my job is that I get to meet people every day. And actually, the real answer is that I like to do all this grooming. I really love makeup and hairstyles and everything. And I need to look good every day. Yes. Also, I got to try different style of makeup, manicure as well. I mean, every day is a new day. So of course you got to meet new people every day. And also, plus, is that I really like babies. So every time when the baby's on board, I got to like play with them and interact with them. And I don't have homework. I just go home, I have nothing, and just get ready for the next day. That's all.
So Pat, do you have any advice to the new crew that who want to join us in the future? Maybe you can give some word to them.
My only advice if you want to join us is that you have to mentally prepare yourself, be confident, and see you on board.
Okay, sambil kita kopi-kopi, kita akan interview siapakah wanita ataupun pramugari yang ada di hadapan saya ini. Jom. Oke, Miss. Boleh kita kenalkan diri kita?
Kenalkan.
Berasal dari mana? Orang apa? Berapa tahun sudah servis?
Okay. Nama saya Charity and 23 years old this year. Then tahun ni tahun kedua kerja dengan Mars Wings.
Permanent sudah lah.
Ya,
Permanent kan masih kontrak?
sudah permanent sudah, baru saja.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
So, berasal dari mana?
Berasal dari Miri.
Ini orang
Orang Song, Kaping.
bangsa Kaping.
Bangsa Iban.
Oh, Iban.
Iya.
Kira campuran lah.
Tiada pure Iban.
Okay, jadi since kau cakap ke orang Ibanyan, boleh kau cakap Iban sikit kah? Atau masih tahu macam mana mau cakap Iban lah?
Iban.
Iban.
Cuma tu, itu dia.
Iban ya. Agi hidup, agi gelapan. Betul kah itu? Oh, okay. Cobalah cakap sikit.
Selamat lemai. Aku charity. And aku berasal dari Biri. And then aku berumur 23 tahun, tahun-tak. And tahun kedua aku kerja rumah Swiss.
Ya. Okay, Charity. Mau tanya, apa yang buat kau berminat jadi cabin crew? Apa yang membuatkan kau minat flying?
Okay, dulu cerita dah macam ni. Time kecil, cabin crew was my dream job. So, bila dah besar and I finish my diploma, and then I done my practical job in travel agency for 6 months. And then after that, saya try kejar cabin crew. And then time tu saya pergi 3 kali interview. So 2 kali gagal, but and then the last one kena terima juga di Masli. So yeah, it's my dream job.
Memang dream job ya. Tercapai ya.
Yes. Pastikan dijalankan asal dapat pastikan dinaikkan selepas dekat apa yang best? Okay. For me, the benefits lah, of course. Jadi cabin crew ada benefits dah. So for the benefits yang paling best is kami orang dapat travel benefits. So setiap crew ada diskaun dia sendiri. And then for us, for me, and then I get to see the world. Kita boleh pergi luar negara daripada Malaysia. Itu je.
I got a little taste of your love the other day, and I just can't get enough. Just can't get enough.
Hai, my name is Tan Syafika Karima, tapi orang panggil Mek Dayang dekat tempat kerja. Years of service dalam masing 2 years plus. Bangsa Melayu Cina, my mom is Chinese.
Okay. What is the best part atau the things that you like when you become a cabin crew?
Okay, the best part about this job is kita orang dapat belajar sesuatu yang baru setiap hari, because sikit kita orang jumpa bermacam-macam manusia. Second, kita orang akan menghadapi situasi yang berbeza setiap hari, sebab kita orang akan handle passenger yang sama. And then third, view kita orang petangga sunset, sunrise. Paling awal flight kami orang is awal pagi jam 6, and then paling akhir dapat tengok sunset juga lah mula flight malam. Jadi siapa-siapa yang mau jadi pramugari, cabin crew, flight stewardess, semua yang sama aja, asalkan yang bekerja di atas awan. My advice, kita orang jadi diri sendiri, dah dapat kerja ya, pola bagus-bagus, jangan malah sakit, malah MC. Sebab ya, benda tu best, okay? Itu adalah pengalaman. Si semua orang dapat job tu, sebab dia bukan beauty with brand aja. Orang lain nanggap perspektif kita untuk jadi duit pun, keberanian kita jual apa semua. Jadi jangan takut untuk mencoba. Tiba.
hari ini kita mau interview one of the legend in mastering. So mari kita berkenalan dengan dia lah. Let's jom.
Kan taklah legend sangat.
Okay.
Bukannya legend, cuma agak
Okay, nama lah, nama.
dah lama lah. My name tag here, Eti Yo. I joined airlines from end of 1996 and start with training in Malaysia Airline Academy at 1997. First 3 months training and what else is that? Then start there, I joined airliner and moved from KL back to hometown, then settle down hometown, back to Miri, and then now still in Miri. Itu sajalah.
Orang apa kita? Orang apa?
Aku Iban.
Oh, Iban. Temu kita apa? Guys, Iban.
Iban. Siapa nama Wan?
No mix.
Dia ada mix Bio Iban.
Mantap.
From Tebak Betong.
Betul.
Yeah.
Throughout your experience in flying, what is the best memory?
Memory and experience. Memori memang banyak. Tak boleh nak ceritakan semua dekat sini. Itu good to keep it in for myself lah.
Okay, Ti. You as an experienced crew, maybe yalah experience lah sebab lama sudah flying kan. So, what makes you love the job?
Moment to being cabin crew, I think everyone love to be a cabin crew. Only the lucky one will get in. And best moment is when we on board a long flight where is passengers like our friend on board. Then we serve them with fairy tale. That's how to make all the environment good in the cabin. I think all cabin crew love that. The experience, I love the place when we nice talk and with your set of crew yang marvelous lah. Then everything will go like family. That's all.
So, we are like family, yeah?
My advice is to anyone out there love and want to be cabin crew. Cabin crew is not easy job and the training is so very tough and very short training. We have to cover many topic and general knowledge as well instead of aviation. It's very tough. For me, it's very tough. And then if you love the career as cabin crew, it's not the end at the cabin crew itself. This is a big innovations, numbers of position and so on for you to further job as a cabin crew. So be prepared before the interview. If you selected to join the interview, be prepared properly. That's my advice lah.
Alright. Thank you. That's a very great advice.
So, boleh cakap Iban sikit kah? Sebab since you are Iban kan?
Hidup lagi ngelaba.
Okay.